Member of Budanilkans College, Program Coordinator, Academic in charge, Vice Principal, and all the founder members, along with all the junior and senior students, along with all teaching and non-teaching staff who have been presented here. I want to share a happy and very good and great good afternoon to you all. And today is in the fine afternoon. I just want to remind you one thing that we all have known very well, that in a life, where there is beginning, there is end. Where there is beginning, there is end. And as this is the moment we have pursuing, we have realizing right now that we have really in such a movement. Now, what realizing the moment, I just remember a line. This line is meeting and departing is aspect of life. Yes, we know that. And this is the time that we are facing right now. And especially regarding the students of class 12, I just want to share one thing that all the students of class 12 can really not get the same chance and same time that you have started, because you all are going to leave and just stay far away from the college and just going to work. You're just going to change your daily schedule that you had just before, because at the very beginning, at the very early in the morning, you had a burden like that you have to wake up early, just get in dress, put the books in your bag and get ready for the college. I know that. I realized very well that you had a lot of problems while you are really finishing the work assignments, homework. Yeah, at that time you may feel a very bothered at that time. I know very well that most of the students are really denying for and just taking the assignment as a burden. I know, but this is really not a good thing. But somehow, some you have created the good memories, by the teachers and the students, and some teachers and some students have also created some memories during the class we have while we're attending the class. At that time, sometimes some students, sometimes some teachers. Yeah, while the teaching at that time, some teachers may have raised questions to some students. At that time, they might have realized something. So I mean to say that in the activities of teaching and learning, there is really a very good role play of both students and the teacher. So in the sharing of education, there is a very good memories that we have, and that it can last long. Not we are, but our memories can. So my request and my intention, I just want to make your attention to all the graduates of 12 class that let's hear you are in the very nearest to your final examination. So my dear students, I just want to share you a message from my side on the behalf of our Budanilkans College and from all the side of family members that please try to stay far away from your cell phones just for a month, because you have already known, you already got to notice that your examination is going to be held from the 26th of the word Vaishak. So you are very near to your final examinations. My dear students, this is your target. So try to make your vision clear, and according to your visions, try to labor hard, because only your labor hard can change your character and the career, not your passion, not your attitude and the ego. So my dear students, if you are understanding me, if you are knowing me, please try to follow your strict schedule that you had once while you were studying class 10. So as you all have known that how you have been studying class 10, according to your study, according to your labor, you have got the result in SCE. This is the same way you have a time, and we all know that according to the education system of our country, if you have a good certificate, then you are valued everywhere. And if you do not have a good certificate, it means your percentage is really low. At that time, you are really not valued well, and really you are not respected. So quality is another thing. Yes, I know that, but you have to secure the word knowledge, because without practical knowledge, we cannot, get the theoretical. And without theoretical, we cannot get what practical. So the both are interrelated, interconnected. So I mean to say that I really, from my side and on the behalf of Buddha Nilkant College, the only one praying and the basic is that may all the students of class 12 get the 4th degree and with the highest and excellent result in upcoming examinations. For this, you have to labor hard. You should not pay attention. You should not depend on the luck because luck really not favors you. But the hard work always supports you. Only the hard work can change your career, I have already said. Only hard work brings a good result. Yeah, so hard work never goes in vain. Hard work always give you the achievement, always give you the positivity, always give you the changes. And this is the one thing, being a student, only the certificate can really give you a reward. Finally, I would like to say that may your life really is the treat of success in each and every step of your life. May your life with fulfill with the word success, and you really be settled in a well sector. May you pass the exam of class 12 with the excellent results, and after that, may you get the chance what you wanted to be, because your parents' dreams really in you. Your parents have also decorated a dream that you are. They have a parent, and they really decorated a dream in you. If you really become success, your parents really become very happy, and at that time you can really do everything that you wanted, because you are the best. And you can do everything. Nothing is impossible if you wanted to do. If your vision is clear, everything can be easily. And by saying this much, I just want to conclude my sources here. If I have really made any mistake, I'm really very sorry for this. Thank you, and thank you all. And at last, I just want to say the students of class 12, goodbye and very goodbye to you all.